As a busy homeowner, I'm always on the lookout for storage solutions that can help me keep my home organized and clutter-free. As you can see here, I absolutely love that I'm able to put my comforters and throws, extra blankets, and even use it as an end table. I also didn't like how my wood was sitting out exposed for everyone to see. Instead, look at this. It hides away nicely in my new storage shelf. Also, take a look how easy it is and convenient for me to hang up clothes. It's practical and perfect for my children to be able to get what they need. I also love storing hats, mittens, gloves, and boots as well. Now for my favorite feature, the handles and the detachable wheels. I can easily carry them up and down stairs or stack them together for more efficient storage. The detachable wheels were specifically helpful when I needed to move my bins around my home. I could simply push them into place without having to lift them, which was a lifesaver, especially when the bins are full. I love the convenience factor of taking off the top as well. The storage bins also came with 5 additional hangers. That was a great add-on feature. Here's a closer look at the hanging clothes rack bar. Now the size is truly impressive. Look at this. I fit in the 76-gallon capacity of the 3 storage bins. The dimensions in total is a height of 57.8 inches. The width is 15.7 inches and the length is 25.1 inches. Installation is easy. Take a look. Lastly, I want to talk about how incredibly sturdy the bins are. Take a look at this.